Have you ever overlooked a humble head of red cabbage at the grocery store? Many people do. It's often overshadowed by more popular vegetables like kale or spinach. But hidden beneath those vibrant purple leaves is a true superfood, packed with vitamins, minerals, and disease-fighting compounds. It's not just a pretty face, it's a nutritional goldmine. Red cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place on your plate. It's rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients that can boost your immune system and improve digestion. It's time to ditch the misconception that healthy eating has to be boring. With its crunchy texture and slightly peppery flavor, red cabbage can add a delightful twist to your meals. Get ready to explore the wonderful world of red cabbage and discover how this versatile vegetable can transform your health and your meals. From salads to stir-fries, the possibilities are endless. Let's unlock the secrets of this amazing superfood and find out why red cabbage should be a regular guest at your dinner table. It's not just about nutrition, it's about flavor and creativity in your cooking. Get ready for easy recipes, helpful tips, and a whole new appreciation for this often underrated vegetable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, red cabbage can elevate your culinary game. Think of red cabbage as a multivitamin hidden in a beautiful, crunchy package. Don't let its affordability fool you. This vegetable is loaded with goodness. Red cabbage is bursting with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and keeps your skin glowing. It's also an excellent source of vitamin K, which is essential for healthy bones and blood clotting. And that's not all. Red cabbage provides a healthy dose of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied after meals. It's also low in calories and fat, making it a perfect addition to any weight management plan. With each crunchy bite, you're nourishing your body with a wealth of essential nutrients. What gives red cabbage its vibrant color? Powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds are like superheroes for your cells, protecting them from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidants like those found in red cabbage help neutralize these harmful molecules, reducing your risk of developing these serious health problems. Studies have shown that a diet rich in anthocyanin-rich foods like red cabbage can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and even boost brain function. So, by adding red cabbage to your diet, you're not just adding flavor and color, you're giving your body an extra layer of protection against disease. Let's face it, sometimes cabbage gets a bad rap. It might be relegated to the side of the plate as an afterthought or bring back memories of bland, overcooked dishes. But red cabbage is here to break the mold. This versatile veggie is anything but boring. Its peppery bite and satisfying crunch add a burst of flavor and texture to any dish, and its vibrant color can brighten up even the simplest meal. Forget everything you thought you knew about cabbage. Red cabbage is ready to take center stage in your kitchen, starring in salads, slaws, soups, stews, and so much more. Section 5. Red cabbage under the microscope. Science speaks volumes. In this section, we delve deep into the fascinating world of red cabbage and its incredible health benefits. Don't just take our word for it. Scientists agree that red cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse. This vibrant vegetable is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can significantly improve your health. Numerous studies have confirmed the health benefits of this amazing vegetable. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your digestive health, red cabbage is truly remarkable. Research has shown that red cabbage can help lower the risk of certain types of cancer, thanks to its high concentration of glucosinolates. These compounds are known for their cancer-fighting properties. These powerful compounds have been linked to cancer cell death and tumor growth suppression. Scientists are continually discovering new ways in which red cabbage can contribute to cancer prevention. Other studies have highlighted red cabbage's positive impact on heart health. Its rich content of anthocyanins and fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health. Its ability to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation makes it a valuable ally in preventing heart disease. Including red cabbage in your meals can be a simple yet effective way to protect your heart. So, incorporating red cabbage into your diet is a delicious way to support your overall well-being. Whether in salads, soups, or stir-fries, this versatile vegetable can enhance both your health and your culinary experience. Section 6. Red cabbage your way. Easy recipes to get you started. Ready to experience the magic of red cabbage in your own kitchen? This versatile vegetable can be transformed into a variety of dishes that are both healthy and delicious. Here are a few simple yet delicious recipes to get you started. These recipes are perfect for beginners and will help you appreciate the unique flavor and texture of red cabbage. Ingredients: half a head of red cabbage, shredded. Red cabbage is not only vibrant in color but also packed with nutrients. 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. This adds a tangy flavor that complements the cabbage perfectly. 2 tablespoons olive oil asterisk. 1 tablespoon honey. The olive oil adds richness while the honey provides a touch of sweetness. Salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings enhance the overall flavor of the dish. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, combine shredded cabbage with apple cider vinegar, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. Make sure to mix thoroughly so that all the ingredients are well incorporated. 2. Toss to coat evenly. This ensures that every bite is flavorful and delicious. 3. Serve immediately or chill for later. Chilling the slaw allows the flavors to meld together, making it even more delicious. This simple slaw is a refreshing side dish for grilled meats or a flavorful topping for sandwiches and tacos. It's versatile and can be used in various meals. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil asterisk. 1 onion chopped. The onion adds a savory depth to the dish. 2 cloves garlic, minced. Garlic brings a wonderful aroma and flavor. 1 head of red cabbage chopped. This will be the main ingredient for our hearty soup. 4 cups vegetable broth. The broth adds a rich base to the soup. Salt and pepper to taste. Seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors. Instructions: 1. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat olive oil over medium heat. This will be the base for sautéing our vegetables. 2. Add onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. The onion should become translucent and fragrant. 3. Stir in garlic and cook for 1 minute more. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can become bitter. 4. Add chopped cabbage and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This helps to soften the cabbage and release its flavors. 5. Pour in vegetable broth, season with salt and pepper, and bring to a boil. The broth will help to cook the cabbage and infuse it with flavor. 6. Reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes or until cabbage is tender. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors will meld together. This hearty soup is a satisfying and nutritious meal on a chilly evening. It's perfect for warming up and enjoying a comforting bowl of goodness. Section 7. Red cabbage slaw, a symphony of flavors. Let's dive deeper into the world of red cabbage slaw, a culinary chameleon that can be tailored to your liking. The basic recipe is a blank canvas, ready for your personal touch. Add a touch of sweetness with shredded apples or dried cranberries. For a bit of crunch, toss in some chopped walnuts or sunflower seeds. If you prefer a creamy slaw, stir in a dollop of Greek yogurt or mayonnaise. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different flavor combinations to create a slaw that suits your taste buds. Section 8. Beyond the salad bowl, red cabbage's culinary versatility. Don't limit yourself to salads and slaws. Red cabbage is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide variety of dishes. Add shredded red cabbage to stir fries for a pop of color and crunch. Roast it with root vegetables like carrots and potatoes for a flavorful side dish. Use it to add depth and texture to soups and stews. Red cabbage also makes a delicious and nutritious addition to smoothies. Its slightly sweet and earthy flavor pairs well with fruits like berries and bananas. Get creative and explore the endless possibilities of this amazing vegetable. Section 9. Making red cabbage a staple. Tips for enjoying its goodness. Ready to make red cabbage a regular part of your diet? Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of this superfood. Choose red cabbage that is heavy for its size and has crisp, brightly colored leaves. Store red cabbage in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. To preserve its nutrients and vibrant color, cook red cabbage lightly or enjoy it raw. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different cooking methods and flavor combinations to find what you enjoy most. Section 10. Embrace the power of red cabbage. Red cabbage is a true testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or expensive. This vibrant vegetable is packed with nutrients, bursting with flavor, and incredibly versatile in the kitchen. By incorporating red cabbage into your diet, you're not just adding color and crunch to your plate. You're making a conscious choice to nourish your body from the inside out. So next time you're at the grocery store, Don't pass by this humble superfood. Grab a head of red cabbage and discover a world of flavor and health benefits. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more health and wellness tips from at Vitality Vibes World. And I'd love to hear from you. How do you use red cabbage? Drop your ideas in the comments below.